It's February 7th, 1994. This is Karen's new little baby puppy. Dakota, Dakota. Look up here, come here, look up. Yeah, look at, you're gonna get your picture taken. She only weighs like 7 pounds, and she's only 7 weeks old. And she's sleeping on our couch. See how long that lasts. Not too long, I'm sure. A little bitty baby.
Oh, there wasn't waves the other day. Dakota. Dakota. Come on. Yeah, he's the one that's not wrong. Where'd your stick go? There it is.
Hi Sharon, we're feeding the
Oh,
peacock.
yeah. See that?
Lloyd's going to buy some and bring them back to...
We'll get some babies.
Go give me some of the young ones.
Yeah, we'll get some babies and send them.
Well, that'd be nice out there.
Yeah, I need more mouths to feed.
Yeah.
Like I need more relations.
The tenants would say, oh, the rent's going up, and Lloyd wants some peacocks.
Yeah. Every time I get something new to feed, I gotta raise the rent. Here, come on. Here. Here. Good.
Our pretty tail on our male here. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. It's February 11th,
Yes, it is.
1994.
Birds.
Oh, here's Lloyd. Come down from the ice-cold, snowy weather to sunny Florida.
Yeah.
He's down here looking at equipment, though.
He's got a big lot of feathers.
Yep.